Hey guys, I really want to show you two things that I bought from my apartment. One is this handbag dehumidifying. Why does this so lean? Hold on. Still kind of lean. Anyways, this bag is supposed to suck up all of the water in the air. So it's supposed to absorb the water in the air. And I don't know, I thought I would share with you guys. So basically this is how it comes, right? It has the beads in the top part, and then when it's absorbed all of the water in the air, it flows down to the watershed area. And I really like that. Because sometimes like a lot of people in Jamaica right now, we get the phone I do the most with the leaves. So anyways, a lot of people. Okay, hold on, let me fix you guys real quick. Do not play with me, do not play with me. So yeah, a lot of people in Jamaica, right now struggle with mold and stuff like that. And it's just a lot of moist. Right now the phone is the weapon form against me. But yeah, a lot of moisture in the air. So I got these for that. Then in this apartment, my mama was explaining to me the other day, I couldn't understand why. Don't mind me tie up. Alright, let me fix it. I couldn't understand why like inside of the cupboard smells so weird. So she was saying the board is a bit older, so you have to put like baking soda or something in it. No, I got these bars, they're very strong and they're in the pack. It's the Arm & Hammer Odor Buster, right? And you basically put them down. They said they're supposed to replace them. The phone I follow, mega stop. You're supposed to replace them after every 30 days. So if you have cupboards in your apartment or your home or whatever, it's similar to baking soda, it's just smaller and a bit cute. You can put these in it. It was less than $30 on Amazon for the pack of 3. Let me see if I can open it up. And show you guys how it looks. But the dehumidifying bags, I'm going to put one in my closet area, one in the bathroom, one in the laundry room. Ooh, these are strong. So yeah, strong and fresh. So this is how it's looking. So I'm going to put one. I'm going to put one in my snacks cupboard. Don't mind how in there looking right now, but I'm going to put one to take away the odor and just put it right there over in the back. And then I have 2 more. I'm going to put it in the other cupboards. Bye.